Hey, greetings from Texas. All right, today I'm going to try something I saw on TikTok. It's going to be a pizza roll. So first thing we're going to need is a pan big enough to hold burrito-sized flour tortillas. I like an omelet type pan or a saute pan with sloped sides. It makes it easier to get in there with your kitchen tools. All right, since we're going to roll it up, we're going to keep the topping simple. We're going to use pepperoni, mozzarella cheese, got some fresh basil, and some kind of pizza sauce, tomato sauce. So let me prep all the ingredients, get them ready to put in the pan, and that way we're not having to monkey around once the pan gets up to temperature. Okay, we have our ingredients ready. I went ahead and separated the pepperoni, so we're not having to do that. We can just throw that on. We got about 2/3 of a cup of grated mozzarella. We got our fresh basil and our tortilla. Let's take all our ingredients over to the stovetop and heat it up. We're on medium heat. Let's coat it with a little bit of oil here. Okay, let's toast one side of the tortilla. Okay, and once our tortilla starts puffing up, we'll dress it. Now this is great if you have some tortillas and want to have a quick pizza with some pizza flavor. All right, we got that toasted. You can use a non-stick pan if that makes you feel more comfortable. Spread out our cheese. Now we're going to take our pizza sauce and we're going to roll this up so it's going to kind of squish out. So we're just going to cover 1/2. And let's get our basil on here. Okay, so now, careful, it's hot. We're going to roll this up. All right, let's flip that over. Okay, we're going to call that done. Okay, we're going to let this cool for a second, let it set up, let that cheese set up, and then we'll cut it. Okay, let's cut up our Pizzaritto. All right, here we go. All right, folks, this is pretty good. Real simple. I think if I did this again, I would go a little bit lighter on the sauce. It really goes a long way, especially after you roll it up. Hey, if you want a pizza and you got these ingredients on hand, it didn't take but 10 minutes. I highly recommend it. All right, I hope you enjoyed it. Try it out. I think you'll like it. Appreciate you stopping by, and thanks for watching.